Hi everyone. In our last video, we understand how to send an email and how to share text content over email in Go language. Now in this video, we will show how to attach an image or how to send a file with the text content over an email in Go language. So as we saw in our last content that this is the sender email ID and the password we have taken, and to send any of the email from one server to another server we need SMTP protocol. We are using SMTP, that is the simple mail transfer protocol. To use SMTP we have to configure the SMTP server as well. To configure the SMTP server we have taken SMTP server name and the port number where our SMTP service is hosted. Now in the next step, since we have to attach one file, here I am attaching an JPG image, an image I am going to attach with email. You can mention the path of your file here and that I am taking in img path variable. This path I am opening, that means I am reading the image content in this img file. While performing this operation, if I got any error, then it is being handled here. And after reading the image, since after executing any file operation, it is mandatory to close that file as well. So here I have given the closing statement in defer statement. Why I have given in the defer statement? Because there is a benefit that this kind of the statement is executed at the end of the block where we are giving here. So here we are giving this execution within main statement, within main function. So this will be executed at the end of the main block. After reading the image, if I want to attach this image in my email content, then it is necessary to convert this image into base64 string. How we are going to convert it? First, we will convert this image to byte slice, and then this byte slice we will convert into base64. So to convert the image into byte slice, this is the code I have written where I am reading the content in this byte slice. Where this byte slice coming from? Here I have taken the image img bytes where I am telling that how many bytes I have to read. Bytes I have to read is equal to the image size obviously. So first of all, I have get all the information of the image by using this stat information. Once I have all the information, from this information I will be getting the size. It will become the byte size that I want to read. Then from this variable I am reading the image content to this byte slice. In this way, using these three steps, here I am converting my image into byte slice. Now, in the next step, I have to convert this byte slice into base64. So here I will be using base64 package, and with the use of encode to string function, I will be converting my byte slice to base64 string. And this is the image base64 string I will be getting here. So in this way, basically, I am converting my image into the string format that I can later append into email body. Further steps will remain same as we were doing in our last video. So this is the email message we are preparing where we are giving that to whom we have to send an email. This is the subject of the email, and here this is the text content. After configuring the SMTP server, we need to authenticate it as well. So by using this plain auth and by giving the email and password, we are giving the authentication. Once we have the email content, sender and receiver's email ID, authentication, file content, everything we have, so we are good to prepare this email content here. First of all, we have given the sender's email ID. These all the information we are getting into this byte slice. And then since we have two type of the content here, one is the text content, that is the body, and second is the image whose string content we have in this img base64 variable. So in this way, we are going to give the body in this MSG variable. And finally, we are ready to use send email function where we will be giving SMTP hostname and port number, the email content we have prepared, sender and the receiver's email ID, and the authentication so that it can connect to SMTP server. So in these simple steps, you can attach any file in your mail, you can give text content, and you can send an email in Go language. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy coding.